Hello students, my name is Swagata Banerjee and I'm from Kalna College, B.Ed section, semester 4. So I'm gonna discuss about the topic which is currently most relevant in our economy. As we all know, India is a underdevelopment country. So poverty is the main important concern in our country nowadays. So I will discuss about the problem of the poverty in India. And in this topic I will discuss the mainly two context from this topic, that the concept of poverty and the vicious circle of poverty. And in the next slide we will get to know about the definition of the poverty. So poverty has been defined as a situation. So poverty is a situation where an individual or a person fails to earn the sufficient income, means their minimum income that helps them to buy the basic necessities of life. Basic necessities means their food, their shelter, or their clothes for their minimum standard of life. So they are unable to have a minimum standard of living. And in the next slide I will discuss about the vicious circle of poverty according to Professor Knox. He said that it implies circular constellation of forces tending to act and react to one another in such a way as to keep a poor country in a state of poverty. That means that surroundings which works like to keep a poor country in a poor situation, like a trap. He gave an example of a poor man. He said that if a poor man do not get enough food, that makes them weak. That means he is less nutrition, that reduce their working efficiency, and as a consequence he get low income. So that tends to he or she will become poor again. And in the next slide we will get to know about the classification of vicious circle of poverty from the supply side. So in this diagram we can say that if a people have a low level of income, that tends to low saving. That means he will save less, and that tends to low investment. If a people save less, then the investment will be less. That means their production will be less. So that tends to low income again. It works in a circular way. And in the next slide I will discuss about the demand side of vicious circle of poverty. So in this diagram again we can say that if a person have the low income, that means their demand for any product to purchase will be less. So that means again they have a low investment, and low investment tends to low productivity. That means the production will be less, and again the income generation will be less. It also work in a circular way, and lastly tends to the low income. So in this presentation we got to know about the vicious circle of poverty and the concept of poverty, and we understood that how the poverty plays a pivotal role in the economy of India. So with this context we have understood that how the poverty is a very important topic and how it is a very important topic in the context of the economy. So with this I will like to conclude the presentation. In this slide I will say that thank you for watching, and if you have any doubt or any feedback or any question, please let me know, and thank you.